The shell is thick enough in its natural state to withstand the weight of the mother, who remains in this position for days at a time. She will incubate the egg for days. 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 Finally, something stirs within the egg. The fetus begins to wake. It struggles through its rapidly emptying but still viscous amniotic sac, moving its muscles for the first time. With all its infant strength, the bird fetus strikes the shell with the egg tube. It breaks through. It flops about helplessly. The mother stands back, knowing this is necessary. It struggles to its feet. It takes its first faltering steps. It is so weak a light breeze could knock it over. The mother gives him his first meal of worms. She does this by regurgitating the worms directly into the infant's mouth. Regurgitating the worms directly into the infant's mouth. No one teaches the bird which way is north and which way is south. No one teaches the bird anything. The bird just knows. Why don't you know? Aren't you smarter than a bird? What's wrong with you? Are you an idiot? Have you learned anything? Or have you forgotten? Do you know less than a bird? Why can't you be more like a bird? Birds are better than you. You are nothing. You are less than a bird. Get back in the egg. Go. Chew.